Hey guys, today I'm going to go over a quick API I created to help you summarize YouTube videos using the power of ChatGPT. So it uses large language models in the background, and you could do either short or long videos. There's no length limit on the videos that you can summarize. There's also another feature where you can ask a specific question about a video. So given a video as context, you can ask a question and it'll provide an answer. So let's dive into it and I can show you how it works. So to get started, I'll log in. I'll just choose my email. It'll take me to this playground. And let's go to YouTube and I will pick a random video. Let's do this AI warning video from Musk. We paste that in here, hit enter. It'll take a couple seconds because it's going to watch the entire video and then provide a summary. And here you can see it provides a full summary of everything that happens in the video, all the important things. You can see the video link down here and then also the API usage. So this is the number of tokens that you used for both the prompt and also the completion, the summary here. So all these summarizations that you do will count against your account. So before you can actually use the playground, you just have to go to your dashboard and add a payment method over here. Once you add the payment method, it'll charge you per token. And you can see the prices listed here. It's relatively cheap. I potentially plan on lowering these even more in the future. It's more of just a trial run to see how everything goes. Yeah, and if you need more information on how to use the API, if you're not interested in using the user interface on the website, you can go over to documentation and it tells you how to make requests to the API directly. And there's some examples here for summarization using a curl command or Python, and the same thing with answering a question using for a video. So it has the parameters, the required headers, you specify the API key, which you can get on your dashboard, and then it will return a response in this format here. And for the example, for the answer question API endpoint, it will return the answer. And there's just an example video here you can see. And that's pretty much it. If you go to your dashboard, as I mentioned, you'll see your API key. I'll regenerate this after the video, so please don't try using it. And then also your usage. You can see I've been using this for a while and it's only at 160. So yeah, and please leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. I'm looking to add new features in the future, and also looking to add some trial tokens for free. So please provide any feedback you have and I'll work to make this better. Thank you.